is just a test to see if the coffee creamer would.
There's the parent.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Test 1.
Hold it down over the string, please. Oh, we gotta hold it below the string. Just no. Whoa. Okay, that was cool. Happy Duck knocks the dominoes down. The dominoes keep going till they hit this marble. The marble rolls down, hits these marbles. They roll down, hit this, and hopefully hit these sprinkles and knock them on the cookies. Thank you. Okay. Go. Here, you guys, have some of our cookies.
Michelle, did you need one?
Ah.
These are good. Hey, let's drink Diet Coke with it, too.
Do the honors, Gabe.
Happy Duck is pulled down by the marble and it gets his head wet. His bottom hits the first domino, which creates a lot of the other collisions with the other dominoes, until it hits the last marble, the big marble, and that marble has KE and PE because it has a height of 1 meter and it's moving because gravity is pulling.
Falls, which causes the marble to fall into the water, which pulls Happy Duck's head down because there's an unbalanced force. So that when the marble falls, Happy Duck pivots on its hinge and he tips and he bumps into the dominoes.
Okay, Happy Duck is pulled down by the marble and it gets his head wet. His bottom hits the first domino, which creates a lot of the other collisions with the other dominoes, until it hits the last marble, the big marble, and that marble has KE and PE because it has a height of 1 meter and it's moving because gravity is pulling down the ramp, and it will hit the little marbles at the bottom.
And when the big marble hits the little marbles will get KE, and they have PE because they're on a table that is 0.865 meters high. But they will move because of the law of conservation of momentum. So if the big marble throws to the right on the table, the little marbles will roll to the right across the table also, which will hit the container of sprinkles, tipping it, and the sprinkles will fall due to gravity, and they will have some air resistance, but when those two forces balance out, they will reach terminal velocity until they hit the cookies, causing a bunch of more collisions.
Okay, when the big marble hits the little marbles, not all conservation of momentum energy is conserved, because there is some sound, there is some collision, the energy transmitted as sound when it hits. You hear a boom. First of all, you dunk his head in water, which causes net evaporation, which is where more molecules leave than come in. The fast molecules leave, leaving the slow ones behind, causing a decrease in temperature. Temperature goes down in his head, because of evaporative cooling. The water molecules bump into his head, which cools the head down, which causes the vapor inside to go down because the molecules of glass bump into the vapor molecules. Temperature in his head. Oh, sorry. The temperature in his head goes down because the pressure inside his head goes down, because P is proportional to T. Force from high to low pressure. The gas wants to push to low pressure. There's a high to low pressure in here. High down here, low up here. The low pressure wants, the high pressure gas wants to go up to the top, so it pushes the liquid up. And then the bird gets top heavy and tips like you just saw. And bubbles mix right here, which is the vapors mixing together, which the temperatures of the vapor equalize, causing no pressure difference. And there's no force holding the liquid back in his head, so the liquid goes back down because of gravity, and net evaporates all over again and repeats. See, he gets top heavy and tips.
Dear Mr. Willard, we are holding Happy Duck here hostage until you give us an A on the project. We worked really hard on this. This thing messed up several times. It drove us nuts, therefore we're holding it hostage.
It took us over 3 hours. Signed, Michelle, Katie, Joyce, and Rachel. P.S. P.S. We drank all your Diet Coke. This is how you spell physics, Katie.
Not this. At all. That's
Not
physics. That's physics.
this.
That's physics.
Hold on, let me.
Ready? Okay.
Yes.
But you can't like have the lighter thing touching.
You have to put it below the string.
Yeah. But it can't be like touching the string. Figure it out. Okay.
Nope,
First
we
you
can-
have it upside down.
Put.
Okay. So
Okay.
wait.
Yes, coffee creamer does flip. Amazingly.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
See?
Hi, Katie.
Joyce, coffee creamer floats.
Oh,
Say
really?
hi.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
does. Apparently it does.